Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix no sound in Apple Maps on iPhone. The first thing that I would recommend is that you check if your iPhone is on silent mode. So you'll simply tap the silent mode, the icon right at the side of your phone. You'll simply want to toggle it on to see if silent mode was on. The second thing I would recommend is you turn up the volume. After you have done both of that, you're going to go into settings and you're going to scroll all the way down, then select maps. After selecting maps, you're going to scroll down and tap on spoken directions. And from here, you want to ensure that all three are turned on right here. And that normally works. If it doesn't work, what I would recommend you do is close Maps, the Maps app, then go into it again. Hope this video helped you. If it did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.